In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload photos in Canva. Uploading your own images is a simple way to personalize your designs, whether you're making a social post, a presentation, or a flyer. Let's walk through it together so you know exactly where to go and what to expect. First, make sure you're on the Canva creation page, also known as the design editor. This is the screen where you build your design. On the left-hand side, you'll see a vertical toolbar with several options. Look for the one labeled Uploads. Click it to open your Uploads panel. This is where all of your previously uploaded images live, and it's also where you'll add new ones. Now you have two easy ways to bring in your photo. You can click the button that says Upload Files, which will open your computer's file picker so you can select an image from your device. Or, if you prefer, simply click and drag a photo from your computer directly into the Uploads panel. Both methods work the same, so choose whichever feels more convenient. If you have several photos you want to use, you can select them all at once when using the file picker or drag multiple files in together to save time. Once you've selected or dropped your files, give Canva a moment to upload them. You'll see a progress indicator in the Uploads panel, and then a thumbnail will appear when each image is ready. Larger files or slower connections may take a bit longer, so it's best to keep the tab open and let the upload finish before you move on. Common image formats like JPG and PNG work great, and keeping file sizes reasonable helps speed things up. When the upload is complete, your photo will be available in the Uploads panel whenever you need it. To use it in your project, just click the image and it will appear on your canvas. From there, you can drag it to position it where you want and use the corner handles to resize while keeping it proportional. If you're designing multiple pages, you can reuse the same uploaded image on any page without uploading it again. That's all there is to it. Open the Uploads panel, choose Upload Files or drag your photo in, wait for the upload to finish, and then click the image to add it to your design. With your own photos in Canva, your projects feel more personal and professional. Thanks for watching, and happy designing!